Unfortunately, the car does not start this video, but it does crank, and all I need to do is replace the ignition coil. So I'm gonna get to that at the end of the video, so please enjoy the rest of this video, even though it is, again, a fail. Today is, honestly, I think about a week since I made the last video. Ended the last video with my seatbelt getting stuck. I looked up a lot of things. I figured out how to for my, not this seatbelt in particular, but my rear seatbelt, this mechanism right here got stuck. If you see right here, there's a little ball bearing. Basically, it keeps getting itself stuck. No matter what I do, it will keep sticking until I actually have to take off the plastic piece, shift the bearing back to center, and then put it back together, and then it should unstick itself from then on. So, I'm gonna do that first. After that, I'm gonna put the side panels back in. Then, put the back seats back in, and I'm also gonna put the front seats back in. But for the front seats, I have to put the seat in, poke out the holes, cut out the carpet. Hopefully, again, I'm not gonna say it because I always say it, and then something up. So we're gonna do that. You're gonna click away really fast.
You can't switch hands like that.
So stupid. So on the seat belts, I'm very dumb. If you look right here, R for right. And I don't know why I'm so stupid, but if you look on this side, it says L for left. So they look exactly the same, except for that one little detail. I take them out. This is green. And other one for the left side is pink. So, damn it. Well, this bolt is still stuck. I can't get it out right now. So for now, I'm gonna switch these two bearings and leave it forever like that. It is about lunchtime. I started this in the morning. Edwin helped me out. He had to go. When I come back, all of the seat belts and trim should be put back, and then I can go on to putting the seats in the car, bolting them down, and turning on the car for the first time today. There's only an hour left of available space on this camera, so let's get this done fast. In, I want to say 2 months, first start. Through some testing and starting my car a lot and it's not turning over, I took out I undid 3 of the, basically, I tested the spark plugs. The only one that's working is spark plug number, I want to say 4, if maybe 1. Whatever one, that one left. This left spark plug right here is the only one that's working, so I gotta go to O'Reilly's to buy 4 more. Just got back from O'Reilly's, was gonna put these in the car, but it is actually dinner time. So I am actually gonna head to dinner. And take the video along with me. And then tomorrow, just got back from O'Reilly's, got my spark plugs, got the socket for the spark plugs, and well, just got back from O'Reilly's, got the just got back from O'Reilly's, got the socket, got the spark plugs, and the car should be alive, but is dead because the road hates me. And I think I had a spark plug issue to begin with. Regardless, I have a leak in one of the spark plug heads. I don't know if I should just fix that or something, but whatever. It's dinner time. I'm gonna go dinner. I'm gonna take the vlog with me, and then I'm going to continue this either tonight or tomorrow. One or the other. We'll see. Let's go to dinner. 3 days later, and I finally get to taking off the spark plugs because, well, that ramen got me really messed up. Like, Saturday night I had Hellfire ramen. It was pretty good. I actually really like the Hell. So it was like their spiciest, the 10 out of 10 ramen. Super spicy. Broth made of Carolina Reaper, ghost pepper, and has a pickled ghost pepper inside. That was my most regretful thing because I ate the whole, my friend and I, Tiffany. Oh yeah, Tiffany from the glowing video. And I said, don't be a, yeah, basically her and I both ate the entire thing, and my ears were hurting. I was dying for that, like for a solid 2 minutes, but the Hell ramen was really, really good. I highly recommend it. It actually is really spicy, but it does taste good. It doesn't taste like ass, like those chicken wings. But then, so I was fine. Tiffany wasn't so much. I think she puked. But for me, it didn't hit me until 12 p.m. the next day when I ate brunch with my friends, and I was kilted at 12:35. I was kilted over the toilet, wishing I was dying because, well, my stomach was hurting. I was like I was sweating, like I had hot flashes. I was like, oh my god, that was terrible. Ramen's great, but then it still affected me on Monday. Today's Tuesday. It feels okay. So let's get to the rest of the video. Already took out the spark plugs. These are the old spark plugs. Oh shoot. These are the old spark plugs. I don't know how long they've been in there, but that's how they look like. And well, this is what a new spark plug looks like. As a certain YouTuber would say, garbage, not garbage. How do I know that it's the ignition coil that's causing all the issues? I don't. But that is the only thing not working so far, and that hasn't been replaced. What I did in the beginning, thanks to Anthony, Brandy, Chris, Lawrence, and Mike, all kind of telling me the same thing but just at different times, was that I tested the spark plugs first, and basically I noticed that spark plugs 1, 2, and 3 were all dead. Did not, the car would still try to crank even though those 3 were in. Those 3 were out. So I took out the 4th one, put those 3 back in, and nothing. It just, the car is completely silent. So, for a fact that spark plug number 4 was working at the time. So I replaced all 4. Replaced the wires, still nothing. So, and this is the rest of this is all off camera. Well, I then proceeded to check if the fuel pump's working. Turn the key, listen for the fuel pump. It was priming, so it was on. Check the fuel relay. I unplugged it, I did it again. Everything kind of shut off. So fuel relay is working as well. Everything, all the fuel stuff is working. Also, I could tell just by smelling the gasoline in my car evaporating and not igniting. So that was also a big tell. So fuel works, spark plugs are all new, spark plug wires are all new. Went to the distributor cap. Got a new one, just to get a new one. And then I know still no spark, nothing. Make sure all the wires were working. All the wires were in, nothing. So lastly, what Mike and Brandy said was just to test the ignition. the ignition coil, and basically I put a screwdriver near it, turned the key. They were looking through FaceTime and they saw nothing. So far the ignition coil has no spark, and that is my current issue. So next video will be me replacing the distributor rotor, using the new distributor cap, and replacing the ignition coil. Hopefully that fixes everything, but I don't know. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe, and that's it. Bye!